Good day, ma'am. I'm Kamarjan Diogay from BSHM1B. I'm presenting the 5.5 activity through video. The title is The True Foundation of Marriage. Good day, everyone. Many marriage fails today, not because love disappears, but because many enter marriage unprepared. Being young and idealistic, I believe that marriage should not be based on feelings, but on maturity, commitment, and shared values. Love is important, but it must be supported by responsibility. Before entering marriage, both individuals should be emotionally read, ready to handle disagreement, financial struggles, and life challenges. Marriage is not a fairy tale. It's teamwork built on patience, and you need to understand. Other important consideration is communication. Honest and respectful communication keeps the relationship strong. When couples listen, forgive, and grow together, they build trust that lasts. Thank you. That's all.